How to fix lag and drop frames on Streamlabs. Fixing lag and drop frames may result to awful streaming experiences. And in order for you to avoid that, try following these steps. The thing you want to do is go to the settings. Here on the left side of your screen, just scroll down a bit and tap on the settings. And here, I want you to hit to advanced. Here you can see the process priority option. I want you to change it into above normal if it is on normal, but if that doesn't work, I want you to change it into high. After that, scroll down a bit, and here, go to video. Under video, I want you to change the resolution into 1920 if your laptop supports it, and your output resolution into 1920 into 1080p as well. Just tap on it, and on the next option you can see this FPS type. You will have to change it into Common FPS Type, and if you're gaming, make it to 60 for better experiences. And then go to output. On output, here I want you to change this. If it is on simple, I want you to change it into advanced option. And here encoder into, if it is on software, I want you to tap on it and change it into quick sync H.264. Just tap on it. After that, scroll down a bit and you can see this target uses option. I want you to change it into quality. After that, you see this bitrate. Make it up to 6000 because I think that works better. Up to 6000. And yeah. After that, I want you to just, yeah, that's it, and tap on done. After that is done, that may fix your issue on lag and drop frames on OBS. So just follow the steps I told you and that may help. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.